If you don't like feeling sluggish but still want to power through your workouts, then these 5 foods are your secret weapon. Number 1. Bananas. Nature's energy bar, packed with carbs and potassium to keep those muscles firing and cramps at bay. Next up, peanut butter. It's got the perfect blend of protein, healthy fats, and carbs for sustained energy. Spread it on toast or add a spoonful to your smoothie. Eggs are another winner. With high-quality protein and essential vitamins, they're a fantastic choice for muscle repair and growth. Don't forget coffee. Caffeine boosts alertness and reduces perceived effort, letting you push harder for longer. Just a cup, 30 minutes before hitting the gym, and you're good to go. Finally, dry fruits. These little powerhouses are rich in natural sugars and fiber, giving you a quick and sustained energy release. Perfect for endurance activities. Combine these foods for a balanced pre-workout snack, and remember to hydrate. Fuel right, feel great, and smash those workouts. Now that you know which foods can give you that much needed energy boost, let's put them together into an ultimate pre-workout snack. First, take a slice of whole grain toast. Whole grains provide a steady release of energy, keeping your blood sugar levels stable during your workout. Next, spread a generous layer of peanut butter on your toast. This will add a dose of protein and healthy fats, ensuring sustained energy and muscle support. Now, let's add some sliced bananas on top. Bananas are packed with carbohydrates and potassium, which help prevent muscle cramps and keep your muscles firing efficiently. The combination of peanut butter and bananas is not only delicious, but also incredibly effective for energy. For an extra boost, sprinkle a few pieces of chopped dry fruits, like dates or raisins, over the top. These dry fruits are rich in natural sugars and fiber, providing a quick energy release and helping to sustain it over a longer period. And if you're a coffee lover, don't forget your cup of coffee. Enjoy it 30 minutes before your workout to take advantage of the caffeine's benefits, such as increased alertness and reduced perceived effort. With this ultimate pre-workout snack, you'll be ready to tackle any workout with energy and enthusiasm. Give it a try and see how it transforms your exercise routine. Now that you've prepared your ultimate pre-workout snack, let's talk about another crucial aspect of your workout routine: hydration. Staying properly hydrated is essential for peak performance and overall well-being during exercise. First, make sure to drink water throughout the day, not just before your workout. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your body well hydrated. About 30 minutes before you start exercising, drink a glass of water. This helps ensure that your body is hydrated and ready for the physical activity ahead. If you're engaging in a high-intensity workout or exercising for more than an hour, consider adding an electrolyte drink to your routine. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium help maintain fluid balance, support muscle function, and prevent cramps. You can make your own electrolyte drink by mixing water with a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon, and a teaspoon of honey for a natural, healthy option. During your workout, take small sips of water every 15 to 20 minutes. This helps keep your hydration levels steady and prevents dehydration. Listen to your body. If you feel thirsty, take a sip. Post-workout hydration is just as important. After you've finished your exercise, drink another glass of water to replenish any fluids lost through sweat. For an extra recovery boost, you can mix in some coconut water or a splash of fruit juice for added electrolytes and natural sugars. By incorporating these hydration hacks into your routine, you'll not only enhance your performance, but also improve your overall workout experience. Stay hydrated, stay energized, and keep pushing towards your fitness goals.